On this episode of How to Do Florida, Chad and his son Chase will attempt to join the prestigious ranks of the Academy of Shrimping.
We've invited a special guest to come out with us to help take our game up a notch.
But it won't be easy.
No slapping. No stabbing.
And later, in honor of the U.S. National Park Service's 100th anniversary, Chad and Chase take the perfect day trip from Key West to beautiful Dry Tortugas National Park to snorkel and explore historic Fort Jefferson.
It's full of little secret passageways and little doorways and tight tunnels. This is the ultimate fort.
So drop anchor and get your dip nets ready. It's time for How to Do Florida.
Hey, today we're going to show you how to go shrimping.
Hey, that's my line. Hey, we're no stranger to shrimping here on How to Do Florida, but my son Chase and I haven't been in a while. Okay, we got our two nets here. We got our lights. So today, we're in Oak Hill, just north of Cape Canaveral, for a very special shrimping expedition. We've invited a special guest to come out with us to help take our game up a notch. Her name is Captain Lee, and she runs this thing called a Shrimping Academy. I have no idea what that is.
I don't either.
It sounds intense, right?
Yeah.
I'm Captain Lee Noga, and I run the Academy of Shrimping.
We're gonna go shrimping and learn from the master.
Shrimping is serious business, but you know what? It's a lot of fun.
Are you ready to learn?
I'm ready to shrimp.
Yeah,
That's
I hear
what
you.
I'm gonna do.
I hear you.
There's just something about it. It's a commitment. It's a lot of work, but there's something so gratifying about conquering that and doing it and being successful at it that makes us come back for more.
Captain Lee is an inventor of shrimping technology, and she makes a living selling her gear and promoting the sport of shrimping through her academy. Now, what is all this stuff, Captain?
Just the necessities, Chad.
I hope you got some ham sandwiches in there. I see a lot of gear.
Shrimping is a sport of a few things. A dip net that has a 6-foot sock, lights that we can control how bright they are and where they are, and tide.
Well, Chase and I brought all that equipment with us, but we quickly found out our gear's not up to shrimping standards. This is what you're working with.
No.
No?
We're not. See how easy it's ripping?
Yeah.
Can't use them. I can tell you right now they're dry rotted and you have a little daylight.
No points for style, nothing?
It's beautiful, but no.
So basically,
No.
we're not using any of my gear. We're going to use all your gear.
Absolutely. There's nothing I can use.
Can you use us?
I can do that.
Okay. We will
I
start
can do
there. Gotta admit, as we started loading Captain Lee's equipment,
That looks expensive.
I started seeing her point.
Man, this thing is super light.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
This is quite a contraption. Okay, here we go.
I'll give you.
All right, spin around.
It's a lot of gear.
Spin around. I'm coming over here, right here.
All right.
You got to back. Yeah, you got to back over me. You got to come back around this way. You got to come back around. Go over. And then now, okay, now we're clear.
Okay.
Woo!
Okay.
Goodness great. Are we going
Now-
swimming for a day or a
No,
week?
this is the bare necessities. The bare necessities. We need to have safety, we need to have strategy, and we will have success.
Strategy.
Hey, I like success.
Yes,
Let's make it happen, girl.
we actually use science. You'll
Science.
like that.
I love science. All right, shrimping success, here we come. Though I'm not crazy about leaving my stuff behind. So what about my shrimping gear? We're just gonna leave it here?
Nobody will steal it. Trust me, it's not good enough.
First order of business, getting our boat in position. Proper anchoring technique is a very, very important part of shrimping.
I want to be about 20 yards west of center, probably 25 yards from the channel marker.
Okay.
Maybe 20 yards back,
Give or take?
20 yards back,
Give or take.
20 yards back.
20 yards. Okay, 20 yards. Okay, we found our spot. Time to throw out the anchors. Sounds simple, right?
Right about now would be a good time to throw that anchor. Otherwise, it's too late.
Throw it off here.
You missed it. You missed the window.
Tell me when.
Now. Well, we tend to throw over there.
Well, that's why I asked you which way to throw.
Oh, I thought you knew that. Nice throw, though. Okay, deploy the back anchor. Okay, and watch out, the line is under your foot. We're going to go further south because by the time we get it set, we will have drifted back 50 yards, so we need to start further south.
All right.
All right, get the trolling motor, swing the bow around and face channel marker 4. I want you to go west.
Hold
You're
on.
facing east right now. I want you to flip the bow around, swing it this way, And then I want you to come in nose first towards that channel marker.
Tell me when.
Deploy.
Deploy. Better?
We'll
Better?
see. We'll see. Let's see what the boat. If boat pitches, then no.
I just burned 1,000 calories, but I think we're anchored.
I couldn't have done better myself.
What's next?
Okay, look, this is the theory of it. We are going to backlight these shrimp.
It's time to deploy our lights. These will allow us to see the shrimp as they come by on the current.
Wow. That is intense.
Just one problem. Shrimp hate lights. The lights have to be positioned so there's a column of water above them for the shrimp to travel on, right into our nets.
Too much light, and they will avoid us. We have to create a lot of black water above the light so they feel safe.
So this light floats here in the water column.
Yes,
And then it pushes light out all around in this pancake style.
yes.
So when the shrimp come along, they don't like the light, so they rise up above it.
And then that's when we dip it.
Yes, they come into your visual light fields, and they also think they're safe because there's no light above them.
But they're not because we dip them.
We know that.
Next thing
they
we
don't.
know, they're in the frying pan.
My question is can we get this started?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's see if I can redeem myself after those earlier anchor throws.
Throw the sinker as far as you can and follow through like a golf swing.
Okay. All right, let's see what happened here. Once our lights are in the water, there's only one way to know if they're sitting properly. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Sit and watch. I saw shrimp. We got a visual, shrimp visual. Finally, after some intense preparation, I think we're ready to dip some shrimp.
No, no,
Not surprisingly, my technique quickly comes into question.
no slapping. No stabbing. You put it on the side and you sweep across, you flip it and you go back the other way. They will not feel it. When you do this, you're sending them a tsunami.
I'm trying to temporarily disable them, trying to knock them out a little bit. That doesn't work.
No.
Okay.
There you go. It's like a dance. It's a rhythm. You become one
Nice.
with your weapon.
Nice. Chase, meanwhile, is apparently a born shrimper. Why am I not seeing shrimp?
You know, I love it when people listen. Chase, you made me proud.
It's been a while since I've actually learned something. He's in school every day. He's learning every day.
I
He's
know.
a sponge.
But
I'm
he's
hardened
just
concrete
got a
over here,
natural
okay?
way about it. Look at his technique.
He is. He's a glider.
Hey, what are you doing? You can't do that.
Oh, hey, you weren't going to get the shrimp?
No. You were in my cone of influence. I mean, my cone of light. This is my cone. You gotta stay on your own cone.
But you weren't going to get that shrimp, so.
I had that shrimp. That shrimp was as good as in the cocktail.
Okay, I'll admit, getting set up the shrimp out here was a lot of work. But once you get settled, it's easy to fall into a rhythm that's downright addicting.
Not bad.
It's a nice mess of shrimp there.
Boy.
Attention. At ease. You grasp the safety, the strategies, and the science. A job well done. And not everybody earns the coveted Academy of Shrimping ruler.
Wait a minute. So we graduated?
Yes.
Chase and I are officially Shrimp Academy alumni. It feels good. And Captain Lee's Tough Love Academy of Shrimping has catapulted our shrimping game to new heights. Shrimping is that great blend of cool gear, the thrill of catching your own seafood, the sights and sounds of Florida's intercoastal at night, and the fun and laughter that makes it all worthwhile. This is a real fun thing to do with your family, with your kids. This is a special Florida experience. I encourage anybody who's never been shrimping to try it.
Today, we're going to the Dry Tortugas.
Oh yeah. Want to explore one of the world's most unique eco-attractions? Then jump aboard the Yankee Freedom 3, a high-speed catamaran that will have you in the Dry Tortugas National Park in about 2 hours. That leaves 4 hours to explore one of the coolest man-made structures you or your kids have ever seen.
The Dry Tortugas.
Let's do it. Fort Jefferson was originally built to protect one of the most important deepwater anchorages in North America. So we just got here in the Dry Tortugas on the Yankee Freedom. Pretty cool because they fed us breakfast on the way over here, gave us some good information, and they're going to feed us lunch.
Let's go. We only have 4 hours.
Only
Go,
4
go,
hours.
go,
Okay,
go.
we got to go. Chase and I are ready to explore. There we go. Help the old man out. Fort Jefferson is the ultimate fort. It's full of little secret passageways and little doorways and tight tunnels. I mean, as a kid, this is the ultimate fort.
Is that a cave?
I guess you could say that.
The fort served as a prison for a time. In fact, a conspirator in President Lincoln's assassination was sent here. And while it was never finished or fully armed, it was still vitally important in its day. This is a big, big gun. You know, all these guns, this elaborate fort, and Fort Jefferson was never attacked. But this fort fulfilled its intended purpose. It helped protect the peace and prosperity of a young nation. The thing that really takes your breath away is the sheer size of this place, which incidentally has earned it another important distinction. Fort Jefferson is the largest masonry structure in the Western Hemisphere. Over 16 million of these it took to build this fort. Absolutely incredible. Something else I noticed is how fun it was to explore this with Chase, who, I'm proud to say, took a real interest in this unique piece of American history. Lots and lots of bricks, I tell you what. We're at the top level here in the fort, and this is the edge. Whoa. It's like a 200-foot drop to the other side of this right here, so it's a little nerve-wracking walking around here. But hey, the day's not over yet. We still have a little time to get some snorkeling in. This looks like a perfect place to snorkel.
Well,
You ready?
Hey, we only have an hour left till the boat leaves.
In and out, we'll be fine. Close your eyes. Whoa! All right, you can open your eyes again. Chase, come on, we gotta go, come on. The great thing about coming here on the Yankee Freedom is they take care of everything, including snorkel and mask. And hey, they even feed you. The captain and the crew make one thing very clear. Make sure you're on that boat when it comes time to leave, because they're not coming back for you.
So this is the last call for Chad and Chase Crawford. Last call for Chad and Chase Crawford.
That was awesome.
Oh my gosh, it's 2:40. The boat leaves in 5 minutes. We have to go.
I thought it left at 3. Oh my gosh.
Last call for Chad and Chase Crawford. Please, if you are on boat, let me know.
Stop the boat, stop the boat. Oh my gosh.
Chase Crawford, here they are.
Whew, we made it. Oh yeah. Well, that's our show. I hope you learned something, but more importantly, I hope you feel encouraged to get out and do Florida. My wife gave this to me for Christmas.
No, it's not strong enough. It's not strong enough.
It's like holding a fast food
it's like
straw.
a
This thing is nothing.
Or me.
Don't you dare go away, or else.
We'll use this. You know how to use it? I will be student of the night, I predict, before this time is over.
You can be student of the night. I'll be shrimper of the night.
We'll see.
We have to get those anchors just right. We have to calculate and get our lights out. We have to get our box net out. We got about 45 minutes of strategic placement. Do you understand?
When do I have a sandwich? That shrimp was as good as in the cocktail.